I have so many products, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, 4C Experience. Guys, I'm a product junkie. Ever since I signed up to Treasure Dress, they have seriously fed my addiction, and I've been able to do so whilst supporting black businesses. So anyway, we move. So what I'm doing is bringing out all of my products. All of my shampoos, my conditioners, my leave-in conditioners, my deep conditioners. Wow, I have a lot of conditioners. My styling gels, custards, creams, everything. So I'm going to speed up this whole video because, as you can see, it is a lot of products. And obviously you lot's time is precious and I don't want to waste it. I'm still new here, so you know, can't be wasting you lot's time just anyhow. So what I will be doing is storing my products into my favourite IKEA items, and I love IKEA. So I will be using my Raskog trolley, my Kallax shelving unit, and my scrub, which will go underneath my Kallax. So these are like my cleansers, my pre-cleansers and things. I have a scalp condition, which is why you would have seen me show you the apple cider vinegar stuff. This Cantu apple cider root relief, I love it because when my hair is in any protective styling, it helps refresh my scalp. Wait a minute. These are some of the best shampoos in the game. Okay, so the rest of these are kind of like my generic shampoos that I kind of use either to like do a deep cleanse, strip any product build-up in my hair. These products that I'm holding, that pile, I've never used any of them before. Not a single one. I will try them and I'll probably review them, but I've never tried it. You see, now I like this detoxing clarifying mask. It's a pre-poo, but it really sticks to your scalp, which I didn't like. Otherwise, it's really good. And this is from Taraji P. Henson's new line. I have tried a couple of the products out and I will be reviewing it soon. So up next are the conditioners, which is my favourite step. I have very dry hair, so naturally I do love conditioners and I'm extremely picky with the ones I do like. For example, this Lotta Body one, I don't like it because I feel like it's very heavy with silicone and the build up on it is not the greatest. This ORS replenishing conditioner, always one of my faves. I've had it since my relaxer days. This Jessie Curl extra moisturizing conditioner, not to be confused with the one that's in my hand, is fire. The one that's in my hand is a deep conditioning one, and that one is not fire. It's the water that put the fire out. It just crossed my mind. Maybe I should do like a battle of the conditioners because I have so many. I love a co-wash, and as I have some of the best co-washes in the game. So if you can get your hands on these, I would highly recommend them. Highly. I am so sorry guys, I completely forgot I was on time lapse and I didn't get to show you the masks and deep conditioners that I have, but these are them. So yeah, it was just 6 that you missed. Then I have the leave-in conditioners that I've never used before. Then I have ones that I've used but disliked, and there's Lotta Body making an appearance again. Funny enough, I don't dislike brands in particular because I have 2 Sheer Moisture leave-ins that I didn't like, but I do love Sheer Moisture generally. Then I have leave-ins that I like but I wouldn't rush to buy again because I just have ones that I absolutely love. And then we come on to my absolute favourite leave-ins. Twisted Sister is definitely up there for me. It's one of my favourite leave-in conditioners, especially to use in the winter time. I do like this spray conditioner from Palmer's because it's great to revive my afro puff. And of course, I love Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. It's a fave, it's a staple, like come on. So in my miscellaneous box, I keep my protein treatments because I use them once every 6 weeks or so. This Sheer Moisture protein treatment is a really good one and it's got some conditioning elements to it as well, but it's really hard to find. Also got some of my products for my wigs. I don't wear wigs that often, but when I do, these are some of the things I like to use. And as I said, this is a miscellaneous box, so it has setting sprays, lotions, heat protectants, all kinds of things. Oh, and I would recommend Sheer Moisture's Blowout Cream. It is a fabulous heat protectant and I would highly recommend you try it. So onto styling gels and custards. I do have a lot of these. Treasure Chest subscription box stay giving me styling gels, and I don't have hair texture for styling gels to be doing all the time, like wash and goes and stuff, but I do give them a try. This one though, this Mael's styling gel, when my hair was blow dried and I slicked my hair back, I had the buffest ponytail, I'm not even gonna lie. If anyone has ever tried anything from Jessica, please let me know, because this particular product just wasn't it for me. I feel like with Jessica it's a lot of hit and miss. And of course I have Eco Styler, because how can I be a product junkie and not have it? I have a lot of hair mists and sprays as well, which is great for like refreshing a wash and go. Oh my gosh, are you guys still here? You lot still here? Oh my days! Drop a random emoji in the comments if you made it this far, because if you really did, I really appreciate you. You don't even know how much. Oh my gosh. Anyway, these are some of my favourite moisturisers. I love them and my hair loves them. It's amazing. I definitely would recommend all of them. I love the Cantu moisturising cream. I know not everyone loves Cantu, but I do. Also, this moisturising hairspray from Afrocentrics is one of my favourite sprays. I use it when I have my braids in and it just refreshes it always. I swear, watching these videos back, it's making me realise that I'm on the quest to find the perfect edge control, because why does one person have so many edge controls? It doesn't make sense. And no edge control holds my hair down for more than 15 minutes. Like, what the hell? Just wanted to say thanks for watching before I wrap up, because I realised I didn't finish doing the transition to the end properly of this video, so it's a bit abrupt. You can't really go wrong with an oil, in my opinion. You can go very right or you can just go right, but you can't really go wrong, except for this. Like, has anyone even used this brand before? Explain to me, where have I gone wrong? It just doesn't seem, it's so watery. I just don't get it. I got a lot to review, so if you have any suggestions or anything you in particular you want to see me review, like, drop it in the comments below and let's talk in it.